Welcome to the Transportation Education Center ribbon cutting event.
The graduates of this program are essential. They're the people in transportation that put food on your table, the diesel mechanics that fix the tractors to help harvest the corn and so many other things, heavy equipment operators that lay the roads so you can travel home for Christmas, and to the logistics that keep our organization and community moving. We've always talked about being innovative, and this building is an example of that. We'll be able to train not only in jobs that currently exist, but those of the future as well. Really, I'd like to always say that our students dream our mission, and you helped us accomplish that. So thank you very much.
Is this a great day or what? It's a great day for our college, it's a great day for our faculty and staff, certainly a great day for our students, and really it's a wonderful, great day for all of Northwest Wisconsin. Because this facility now allows our faculty, the talent that works here, to really partner and work with business and industry and with families.
This building and the equipment will allow students to be trained in all aspects of transportation. The training provided will give students what they need to become truck drivers, diesel technicians, motorcycle, marine, outdoor power technicians, automotive technicians, and so much more.
This new building has necessary space, so we don't have to leave campus for gen eds anymore. Being able to stay on campus has been a nice bonus. The community deserves applause as well. Without people understanding the need and voting for the new building and technology, I feel I'd be missing out on pieces that are making my education home.
This is really a remarkable opportunity to have things stacked for students to be successful, and that's what we really need, because these programs are super important to the infrastructure of our community.
I am so proud of this facility, just to watch it. As instructors, we did get a little bit of input, actually got a lot of input as far as what our labs are going to look like. And just seeing it from the initial meetings to what you guys are going to see today has just been absolutely phenomenal.